Alright, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to set up a Maya file for animation purposes. You can see that we're working in Maya 2013 in this instance, although this is pretty universal within all the recent versions of Maya. First, come on down here to the Animation Preferences button. Click that. It's right next to the key. Okay, that brings up the time slider options. The first thing we want to make sure always is that the playback speed is set to real time. By default, it's usually set to play every frame, which is going to play the animation as fast as the computer can handle it, which is not going to be what we want. We want to play it at real time because that's where the speed of the animation is going to play as fast as it would appear in the output video at the end here. I always also set my looping to continuous, so it just plays through the time slider over and over and over again. That's preference. You can set it to whatever you want, but I like continuous. Oscillate would be very strange. It would go backward and forward over and over again. Next, let's go ahead and click on the Animation tab over here in the Settings window. Make sure that for these purposes, I'm going to leave Auto Key off for now. That's the key icon in this lower right-hand corner over here. I usually work with Auto Key turned on all of the time, but I'm going to leave it off just for now so that we set all of our keys manually just while we get the hang of animating. We want to make sure that the weighted tangents button is left on so that we have the maximum amount of freedom in controlling our animation tangents in the graph editor. And we want to make sure that the default in and out tangents are both set to linear. Linear and linear. This just gives us the most predictable result and prevents Maya from trying to help us by interfering and changing how our animation is interpreted behind our backs. Okay, we click Save with that, and that's all we need to do to set up the animation file in Maya.